And of course, if you are on LinkedIn, repost this. Maybe other friends will see that. Today, I'm going to cover the other document, which is a spreadsheet, part 2.2, exchange information requirements and BIM execution plan. I will cover only the part about exchange information requirements because the BIM execution plan comes later. So that's what I'm going to do. Before that, please allow me to give a shout out to BIMCon. The BIM conference in Romania, which is going to be on 31st of October and 1st of November in Bucharest. So for you who are from Romania, I recommend you, especially if you are from Bucharest, you should go and visit and participate here. You can find here more details about this. You can just search for BIMCon 2025, bimcon.bimtech.ro, and you will see here the tickets and everything. It's a great place to network and to meet other people passionate about openBIM. If you want to learn about this and so on, it's a great place. I was there before and I loved it twice. And I look forward to my next time, the next time I'll be there. Right now I can't because I'm in Asia, but yeah, I definitely recommend you to participate. It's going to help you to see how other people are using openBIM and why they are motivated by openBIM. All right, so with that out of the way, we can go back to this. I thought I was sharing. Yeah, so here, bimcon.bimtech.ro, or you can just search BIMCon Conference Romania 2025 and you will find it, okay? It's here, the first one. All right, let's go. Would love to hear from you. If you are here already and you didn't say hello, say hello. Looking forward to chat with you guys. And tell me if you can see my screen, okay? I hope you can see it. It shows me that it should work, okay? Let me see if I have the right microphone. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's go. So, part 2.2, this is a spreadsheet with some more technical aspects of the exchange information requirements and the BIM execution plan. This document is a part of a set of specifications and templates. They are developed by European Building Smart chapters under European openBIM Forum. The openBIM Harmony is a common European framework. It is intended to be implemented by national chapters by adapting it to national language and regulations such as terminology, identification systems, classification systems, local practices and needs. The ambitions of the common framework are lower the threshold and risk associated with adopting openBIM for SMEs, harmonize how appointing parties specify their information requirements. These are the clients. Harmonize how appointed parties specify their approach to deliver on the requirements, those who prepare the information and the project to deliver the project. This spreadsheet can be used to document the appointing parties' exchange information requirements and lead appointed party's approach to deliver on the requirements, BIM execution plan. Yeah, so, and then we see part 1.1. This, I think this is a mistake for both of this. This is the exchange information requirement was part 2.1. And the BIM execution plan, I know it's part 3.1. So I think this has gotten away. I'll see if there is any way to provide, to send some feedback on this. If you know anything about this, yeah, let me know. I appreciate that. So exchange information requirements explain the requirements as specified by the appointing party, by the client, and the BIM execution plan explains the approach on how to satisfy the requirements as specified by the lead appointed party in agreement with the appointing party. Okay, this is the first. I'm going to cover only the things, like I said before BEP and the CDE as well, because CDE, only ER, okay? Common data environment is going after this, okay? Okay, so let's go with this. I will have to increase this. Let's increase this to make it visible. All right. So to be completed by the appointing party. This table is explained in part 2.1. It was explained there. Yeah, I remember. Completion and handover, yeah. And the BIM execution plan after. But let's go very quick over this. Let's see. EIR01 project overview, report on project status about the progression, financial frame. Yeah, actually I read this, so you can just watch the previous video. Makes no point. So let's have a look at the level of information need. So let's have a look. Object types, object type name, object. Yeah, here describe the level of information need and the steps. And we don't have. Yeah, these steps have to be defined. I think we covered that as well. And here you see the disciplines, appointed party roles, architectural, landscape, structural, plumbing, mechanical, electrical. Yeah, these are kind of like these things were already in the other. I think here and here are the two things that were nowhere, or no, even this part was there. Method of project information, let's see, sorry for reading like that. Let's see if somebody around said anything. No, not yet. Yeah, this we covered this as well. It was there as well. So I think this is the only thing that I didn't cover. So, but I think even this was there. Actually, even this, yeah. Was it here? Yeah, it was here and here. Yeah, here I've seen some. Oh, okay, yeah. So no, actually, there is nothing else. All these things are specified already in the other part. Maybe it's summarized, combined together to have an overview over the technical aspects of this. Yeah, makes sense, actually. Makes sense. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, here says what we need to have. No, we had this. We had this last time. So I think I just stop here. I didn't plan anything else to do. I will go next time over the common data environment. I don't like to change the name and the topic right now, to be honest. I already made a thumbnail for that and the title. It will mess up everything. So I'll stop here. And yeah, maybe repeat one more time this stuff. If you're in Romania, Bucharest, yeah, of course you can even travel to go there if you're interested. But I guess most people, most Romanians, maybe if you're in another city, you can also travel, I guess, from closer cities like Brașov, Craiova, maybe a bit further away from Iași and Cluj, but possible. So yeah, definitely recommend you to try that. What to say? There was something important. Go to my YouTube channel because I made an important video today. It's about a sprint that I will run next week. I will do a sprint where I'll cover model-based construction in Norway, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half every day, from Monday to Thursday, I think, or I will see, but yeah, kind of like that. And this is for the new members in BIM Voice Academy. If you want to join, you can get help. You can get a lot of help during these 4 sessions where I'll cover quite important topics. You can see I have a video and also a post on LinkedIn. I also send an email. So it's going to be 4 sessions and then 1 meeting every week for 3 weeks. So quite a lot of things on top of the on top of the courses. You get access. So everyone gets access to this practical openBIM sprint, I call it. And you also get access to this. You just have to join for 1 month. If you want to stick, you can stick for more, of course. then you have more time to go through more things and learn more things. But if not, it's good. You can leave after 1 month. You can cancel your subscription. If you want to stay for more, then you maybe if you want to save, you can go and upgrade for 1 year, and then you get a 40% discount, which is huge, I would say. So yeah, and of course, I'm going to do. I have a good feeling that this is going to be a very appealing event. More people, a lot of people are going to like it, and they will want to join. Like I said, you can read more about this on your LinkedIn and see a video. Watch the video. If you go to my channel, you will see the channel trainer video or the latest video that I published, which was today, a few hours ago. It's about this. Explains a bit better, but yeah, the gist of this is that if you become a member in this community, if you join in BIM Voice Academy, just search for BIM Voice Academy, school.com BIM Voice Academy, or just go to bimvoice.com, and then you have a video and so on. You can just click on this join BIM Voice Academy, and you get redirected to this page. You can read more about, you can join here. There are already 380 people. So yeah, that's what's happening. There is nothing more complex than that. You just join. You can participate here, and you decide whatever you want to do after that. It's up to you, okay? I think it's a very, very reasonable price, $90 for what you are going to get here. It's really packed. It's really packed. Of course, now, do you have enough time to go over this in 1 month? Well, I'm not sure. That's up to you. Hardly possible, but the value that you get here should save you a lot of time on your projects and should give you some special skills that are going to help you a lot in your career in the future. So yeah, with that out of the way, then let's meet again tomorrow. Maybe these sessions are a bit boring for some of you. I think they are important, and I want to cover them, to have them on my channel. And after that, I will go into more practical things, because these are going to be at the backbone of other tutorials or further trainings, right? So it's important to have these fundamentals somewhere. So that's why I'm doing this series of videos. But I'm going to come back to how to use other tools like IFC Flow, IFC OpenShell, Bonsai, how to use N8N with IFC OpenShell, and have some keep building the IFC automations that I started. Okay, so I'm getting back to that, but first I want to cover this, and also the Norwegian variation of it. And yeah, I have many more ideas, and I hope you are excited about that. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support that you are offering me, and I see you around. Have a good evening.